Hey everyone, so is your Airtable base not loading? Maybe the workspace opens, but the base keeps spinning, shows a blank screen, or refuses to load completely. Yeah, that can be pretty frustrating when you're trying to access important data. In this video, I'll show you several ways to fix the Airtable base not loading problem in 2026, and most of these fixes only take a few minutes. First, try refreshing the page or reopening the base. Sometimes Airtable just needs a quick reload to reconnect and load the data properly. Next, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can prevent Airtable from loading large bases. If you're using Airtable in a browser, clear your cache and cookies. Old or corrupted browser data can stop bases from loading correctly. You can also try opening the base in a different browser. Sometimes browser extensions or compatibility issues prevent Airtable from loading. Some browser extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, can interfere with Airtable. Temporarily disable them and reload your base. If the problem continues, check Airtable's server status. Sometimes the issue is on Airtable's side, and you may just need to wait for the service to recover. If you're using the Airtable desktop or mobile app, try restarting or reinstalling it. Updating or reinstalling the app can fix loading problems caused by corrupted files. And that's it. Most Airtable-based loading problems can be fixed by refreshing the page, clearing cache, switching browsers, or updating the app. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more quick tech tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.